Hi guys, today I'll say some tips you can use for your lightning build. First is your race. I recommend using Ghoul Cause. Lightning has a long cooldown, and Ghoul give leeching. Next, you should have a backup combo, just in case you have cooldown on UV move. Now making your own combo, I recommend Lightning X first and C and do whatever you want. Now he'll show 4 combos with Lightning and 1 sword main combo. So those are the combos that I recommend you using when you're PvPing. And that's the end. Remember to subscribe. Bye.